Hi, welcome to Rhonda Set. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things. I love getting things. I love doing things. And today, I have my Boxycharm. It's right. This is my Luxe box, and I am so excited to have it. Mwah! Not really kissing it. I just faked it. But let's get in here. Let's see what luxury we have on the inside of this box. Luxury. If you don't know what Luxe is or Boxycharm is $25 a month. And then if you upgrade to the Luxe, it's an extra $24.95. So it makes it like $49.95. And you get about 8 luxury items in here. All full size. It is chock full of stuff. I'm going to put it on my lap. Hopefully that'll work. Sometimes that doesn't work. But today, we're feeling good. We're feeling good about it. And where is my calculator? Here it is. And we're going to add up the value of this box also. So that makes it even more fun to see how much it's worth, having spent $49.95. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 things in here, just like I said. And the theme is bubbles and glitz, just right for the new year and the holiday season. And the first thing I'm going to pull out, I'm going to put my glasses on. Where did I put my glasses? There they are. Granny needs to see occasionally. Not that I'm really a granny, because I have no children unless they have fur. But anyway, the first thing I see in here is a palette, and it is in bubble wrap, thank goodness. And it is in a gorgeous package. And this is the Hip Dot Cenote, C-E-N-O-T-E pressed eyeshadow palette. And this is a $30 value. So we'll start the tally with that. Look at that. It is gorgeous. I love that. It looks like a geode or something. And this is a beautiful palette. I've been getting into blues more this last year. And look at that. That is beautiful. And I'm not going to swatch it just yet, just because I'm going to do all that when I take... Oh, look, I can see myself in the mirror. Hello, Rhonda. Hello, Rhonda. But anyway, I'm going to do that when I do a look with it. But, okay, I would have to touch this one. Oh, that's really beautiful. That's gorgeous. All right, I'm looking forward to you, Cenote. Cenote? Cenote. It doesn't sound right, but it says, let me tell you more about it. Unleash your inner goddess through the alluring blues and gleaming golds of Cenote. Homage, silent H, Rhonda, to the sacred underground pools of Mexico, or Mexico. In this hyperpigmented palette, you'll find a mix of matte shimmers pulled directly from the magical deep. $30. Very cool. And then there's some bubble wrap. And here's another palette. This one is wrapped in plastic, but it was wrapped in a big old thing of bubble wrap. And this is from Iconic London, which is very fancy. And I believe it is a face palette. It is a face palette. I have like a million of these, so I'm not going to swatch this for sure, because this might be getting a different home one day. And it says Iconic London Blaze Chaser Face Palette, an ultra versatile face palette featuring 6 shades of butter smooth velvety powders that complement all skin tones. This convenient palette contains shades for sculpting and bronzing to add natural looking warmth and definition, blush shades that lift the face and give you that must-have lit from within glow, and highlight shades for flattering candlelit radiance. Candlelit radiance, please. And this is $55. Oh my gosh. So that's a lot. But Iconic London stuff is kind of pricey. So great. Glad to have it. Probably going to go into one of my bigger giveaways. Ooh, I told you there was bubble wrap. The next thing is the Dagger liner. I'm pretty sure I chose this. I think I chose this. I got to choose a couple things. And this is a KVD Vegan Beauty Dagger Tattoo Liner. Experience effortless winged liner looks with an innovative eyeliner specially engineered for easy application on any shape. Any eye shape. I can't even read. Making Dagger Tattoo Liner ideal for all makeup junkies. I'm a makeup junkie! Yay! Hi, my name's Rhonda. I'm a makeup junkie. And this is $21. So that's really nice. I don't have to show you a black eyeliner. If you've gotten a box from any place, any time, you've gotten a black eyeliner. Ooh, it looks like I got some sponges from Hip Dot. Color Change Sponge Duo. I have a lot of sponges, but you know, color change. Ooh, it's super soft. And it's got a little baby sponge that comes with it. Little baby, hi, I'm a little baby sponge, and I go with my big sister. Or mother. Could be a teen mom sponge, I don't know. Not judging the sponge for her choices. And why is it a her? Because I just said it had a baby. It could be a dude. It could be daddy sponge. But anyway, it says, enjoy an amazing color changing sponge. Watch it expand to twice its size when wet. When wet. It creates buildable makeup application with minimum product waste. MSRP, $18. I haven't spent that much on a sponge in a long time. And I didn't spend that much on this. So, very cool. And we have some paper in the way. And this is definitely one of my choices. And I've always been interested in these kind of kits. And it is Butte Teeth Whitening Kit. Because I do need the whitening, especially with this black lipstick. And it says Butte Beauty Co. The original Glam Smile Kit. I need a Glam Smile Kit. Your Butte OG Smile Kit whitens and brightens your smile. In 15 minutes I can deal with. Like an hour of strips I can't handle. From binge watching Netflix to jet setting around the globe, Butte's mission is to accompany you in the clouds, elevating your self-care routine while maintaining angel status. $89! That's really expensive. I hope this works. It's got like a little syringe with stuff in it and then a little tray that you put in your mouth and you attach that light thing to it. It's supposed to really work. We'll see in my upcoming videos if it works or not. So I've added that to the tally. And there's a couple more things left. Next up is Temple Rub from the Lifestyle Company. I'm not excited about this. Temple Rub. 100% natural, calming Temple Rub. It's a Temple Rub, Rhonda. You'll enjoy it because you get stressed out occasionally. Especially learning how to edit videos. It's very stressful. What's more relaxing than lavender? This Temple Rub is more relaxing than lavender. Of course, this super blend of oils can help assist relieving headaches, stress, anxiety, and $24. Let's see what it smells like. It's got peppermint. I figured it had some peppermint in it. It smells like peppermint oil, which is really nice. I used to get Aveda's peppermint oil, and I would put it on the back of my neck and my temples for headaches. And then last but not least, probably the fanciest thing in the box in my opinion, it is Good Jeans from Sunday Riley, and this is fantastic. I know, Wolfie, it's fantastic. And this is the Good Jeans Lactic Acid Treatment. This multitasking targeted lactic acid treatment rapidly exfoliates and boosts natural youthful radiance while visibly reducing the look of lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. This high-potency formula exfoliates dull, pore-clogging, dead skin to instantly clarify and reveal smoother, clearer skin. With brightening licorice, The super concentrated treatment also visually reduces the look of dark spots and discoloration caused by exposure to the old sun, the soleil, if you will, for naturally brighter, even-toned skin. $85, which that doesn't seem right. Let me add this up again. So we had $30 for the Hip Dot. We had $55 for the Iconic, $85 for the Sunday Riley, $85. Oh, I missed something. There was one more thing. It snuck in. I was like, I didn't get that. So I'll redo the numbers in just a second. I'm so goofy. I missed something. I was like, Luxe Brush Set. I didn't get a Luxe Brush Set, and I did. And it was red in the box. It's a black box with this red thing, and I missed it. And this feels like faux suede. I feel like a dork. I feel like such a dork. I can't even count. Luxe Glitter and Gold Brush Set, offering a complete range of brushes for foundation, contouring, highlighting, and blending. This set has all you need to create perfect holiday looks. This fabulous set comes tucked inside a durable, easy to clean, festive red brush pouch. $85. And this is a beautiful set of brushes, and there seems to be 8 brushes in here, and I'm going to redo my tally. I'm not going to say it out loud this time. That's $85 for this brush set. $407. Today's Boxy Luxe has a value, today's Boxy Luxe has a value of $407. So, thank you, Boxycharm. Good job. Good job on the Boxy Luxe this month. I hope you guys have a great day or day of your choice. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.